Hello to everyone. My name is Rushikesh Rajendra Bhujang. I am from second year computer diploma from Jheel Polytechnic, Pune. Here, me and my teammates made micro project on software engineering subject. Our project name is Write Down Test Cases Display on ATM Machine. We made a micro project under the guidance of the MB Pawar sir. So let's start. What is test case? In a software engineering, the test case is the specification of the input, execution condition, testing condition, and accepted result. It simply means that it is the process of the software testing. Then our second point is who invented or the what is the history of the test cases. By the Google search, I can get information that was the history of test cases is translated by Jovana Militonovich. Then our third point is the what is ATM machine. In the point of ATM machine, first we will see that the what is the long form of ATM. The long form of ATM is automated teller machine. The what is the use of ATM machine? The ATM machine is mainly and mostly used in banking sector. It helps to check our remaining balance, withdraw our bank balance, or any other things. So the remaining part of our micro project will be explained by my team members Suman and Sachin.
Hello to all. My name is Suman Samanto. As my teammates Rusikesh Bhujang explained previous points in this micro project, I will explain about the test case result on ATM machine. As you all can see, here we take 7 test cases on ATM machine. I will explain that one by one. At first, we have to check that the user is presented with options when the card is inserted correctly. Then check that no option to continue and enter credential is displayed to the user when the card is inserted incorrectly. Check that the user is asked to enter PIN number before displaying any card bank account details. After that, we have to verify that if incorrect PIN attempts get surfaced, then the user is not allowed to continue further. In fifth test case, it has to display main menu on display. Then in sixth test case, verify that the user is presented with the option to choose a language for further operations. And in our last test case, language option should be displayed such as English, Marathi or Hindi. That's all about explanation of test cases on ATM machine. Further points are explained by another teammates Sachin Kaulage.
Hi friends, my name is Sachin. As my friend Suman Samantha explained previous point, I will explain the conclusion. ATM machine must be tested for accuracy, reliability and performance. It should be tested for its response time per transaction as works for 24 into 7. All the above mentioned points should be considered while testing ATM machines. There should be a combination of a both positive and negative test cases while writing test cases for any product.